imagine that there are two white pipes in your body and the breath is flowing through them. So when you breathe in, the breath enters the pipes through the nostrils and comes down to the lungs, the stomach. When you breathe out, it goes out through the pipes to the nostrils and out. So think you have two white pipes and you are breathing through these pipes. Be aware of the breath that is flowing in and flowing out. Now think the incoming breath is carrying with it the name Radhe. So as you breathe in, the Radhe Naam is flowing in. And as you breathe out, the Krishna Naam is flowing out. So you are breathing with the names of God, Radhe, Krishna. Remember the pipes. Remember the breath flowing. Remember the names of God imbued in your breath. Now let the pipes dissolve. Just the breath flowing in and out, and the names of God flowing in and flowing out. Remember, Radhe Naam is flowing in, Krishna Naam is flowing out. Now think that the names of God are imbued with His Shaktis, His presence. So when you are breathing in Radhe, the Divine Mother is present and she is blessing you. When you are breathing out Krishna, the Supreme Lord is present, purifying you. Feel the presence of God and His names as you remember the names. If the mind wanders, bring it back. Back to the pipes, back to the breath, back to the names of God. Feel the presence of God in your breath. You could go on and on like this for 15-20 minutes, but we'll bring this meditation to a close. Mentally offer your respects to Radha Krishna. Thank them for blessing you with their remembrance. Now rub your palms together. Place the palms over the eyes, relax your eyelids, calm your mind, gently rubbing your eyes with your fingers, with a few blinks, open them. So, this was meditating on God's name with your breath. Now, the signs of healthy diet. Somebody asked me about proteins. Let's take this food group called proteins. These proteins are the building blocks. Like a house is built with bricks, your body is built with proteins. And the cells and tissues are subject to wear and tear. Process of rejuvenation is constant. So you need a constant supply of proteins to sustain your body. They are also the building blocks of your immunity system. They are also a source of energy for your body. So they make the hormones, etc. They play multiple functions. You need an abundant supply of proteins. They are one of the 3 macronutrients. 30% of your calories should come from proteins. Now, when it comes to proteins, the question is, what should be the source of proteins? So this human body is designed to be vegetarian. If you see the carnivorous animals in nature, they all have short intestines because meat putrefies rapidly. If it stays in the body for long, it causes disease. It must be expelled quickly. So the carnivores, their intestines are 3 times the body length, and human intestines are 10 times the body length. So when meat stays there for so long, it produces a disease. It's a scientific fact that meat eaters' vulnerability to cancer is 200% compared to non-meat eaters. Besides that, you will see the teeth structure. The carnivores, they've got canines all the way, and they only have linear motion of the jaw. They don't grind. The herbivores have got molars, and they've got bidirectional motion for grinding. The carnivores, when they drink water, they will lap it, they will not suck it. Whereas the herbivores, including humans, they will suck the water. And the carnivores will do temperature control by hanging the tongue out. The herbivores will sweat, and so do the humans. This is the body structure. However, Lord Krishna in the Gita elaborates that the kind of food you eat, your body becomes like that, and the mind also becomes like that. If you eat foods in the mode of goodness, that is the fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy product, etc., your body becomes calm and peaceful, and so does the mind. When these same foods, they are eaten too hot or too cold, or too sour, too bitter, too much of sugar, now they are eaten for firing up the tongue. They become in the mode of passion, and they inflame the bodily desires. And those foods that are dry, putrefied, intoxicating, meat, fish, eggs, they are classified as the mode of ignorance. So for your mind and body, if you take proteins from vegetarian sources, that's the best. Now, Indians are the highest consumers of lentils around the world, dals. So these dals are a great source of proteins, but no dal is complete in supplying all the amino acids your body needs. That's why it's a good idea to keep changing the dals or to mix up the dals.